evidence. Naku po, nagalit si Attorney Sheila Sison. Alam nyo na, kabibig, ang nangyari. Naku, kung ano-ano lang ang ginagawa ng mga lawyers, prosecutors. Lawyers na ng Jingy Luistro ba? Nagmanifest si Attorney Sheila. Kasi yung ibang mga lawyers dyan, parang hindi professional. Post pa sa social media. Knowing, impeachment trial to. Sabi ni Attorney Sheila Kabibig, I really just find it in a bad taste. O yan na ha, galit na. To do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar. Because even as we sit on this opposing side of this hall, we remain to be both members of the bar. Yan! Supalpalin mo, Attorney Sheila. Oo, ipaalala mo sa kanila ang integrity at professionalism. Yung parang, yung iba kasi nagpapadala sa kanilang emosyon Ito pa As officers of the court, we owe each other's respect, politeness, or even kindness. And it doesn't take one to be a lawyer to know that the first thing that our parents teach us is to do humility. Agoy! Grabe yung parinig ni Attorney Sheila. Ang sakit-sakit pakinggan na lawyer ka tapos wala kang respeto. Sino kaya ang pinariringgan ni Attorney Sheila Kabibig, no? Sino kaya ito? Na ito pinuna ni Defense Lead Counsel Sheila Sison na hindi tama ang pag-post ni Private Prosecutor Amando Verhiligutan. Yan naligutan. Na tila pinopunteriya si Christine Ferrer sa kanyang cross-examination sa impeachment trial. Sa isang post, sinabi ni Ligutan na a principle all lawyers and law students by the heart, misleading questions are not allowed even on cross-examination. Grabe ka naman, Ligutan. Pinaliguan ka na Attorney Sheila ng lecture, ng, ang tawag ito, it doesn't take one to be a lawyer to know that the first thing that our parents teach us to do is humility. Tapos kung ano-ano mga interpretasyon mo. Ito naging usapan ito kanina dahil sa objection ni Private Prosecutor Lorna Kapunan na misleading questions are not allowed in cross-examination. Na sinagot naman ni Ferrer na they are allowed. Yan kabibig. Nako, yan ang sinasabi natin mga kabibig. Galit na si Attorney Sheila. Diba? At talagang nilekturan yung mga, bakit magpo-post kayo? Kailangan ba talagang mag-post? Kailangan ba, hindi pa pwedeng kausapin mo ang kapwa lawyer mo at ipaintindi mo? After ng impeachment trial, ng araw na yun, pwede mo namang siyang kausapin. Madam, attorney, ito yung paniniwala ko sa nangyari kanina, ganito, ganyan. Hindi yung parang, ay, nagmamagaling. Ay, feeling sikat. Nagpapaepal. Kumukuha ng simpatya. Nagmamarunong. Feeling marunong. Huwag naman pong ganyan. Diba? Misleading questions are not allowed even in cross-examination. Yan kasi ang post ni Armando Verhiligutan. Diba? Dapat sana kinausap niya si Attorney Ferrer. Hindi gamitin ang Facebook, ang kanyang account or kung ano man, na doon siya magpaparinig. When in fact, sabi Attorney Sheila, lawyers tayo dito, hindi tayo bata. Para yatang si Attorney Ligutan, parang na-shock siya sa fame. Parang nasa cloud 9 pa rin siya ng fame na, sikat na ako, marami akong followers, kung anong ipopost ko, magko-comment sila. Pero nakalimutan niya, lawyer siya. At impeachment court to. Yun ang pinupuntirya ni Attorney Sheila Sison. Respeto, politeness. Hindi naman to awayan sa social media. At intelihente tayo. Bar passer tayo, alam natin ang galawan ng social media. Huwag natin isali ang social media sa impeachment trial kasi grabe naman, ito naligutan. Dapat kang mahimasmasan kasi yung fame na tinatamasa mo ngayon kasi marami kang followers, posibleng mawala yan instantly sa isang iglap lang. Watch this video kabibig kung paano sinupalpal, the same time, binuhusan ng malamig na tubig si Atty. Ligutan ni Atty. Sheila. Watch this video.
The more important manifestation that I would like to make today, Your Honor, is in relation to a social media post that I happened to see. And this was posted at 11:29 a.m. by one of the private prosecutors, Attorney Amando Virgil Ligutan, posting that a principal or lawyers and law students know by heart misleading questions are not allowed even in cross-examination. Now, this was posted and picked up by Inquirer.net at 11:29 a.m. today. And I surmise that this has something to do with the exchange between the private prosecutor, Attorney Kapunan, and the defense counsel, Attorney Ferrer, on the matter of the cross-examination question that Attorney Ferrer asked the prosecution's witness. And I have here a transcript because I find it troubling that a private prosecutor would do this in the middle of a courtroom hearing. Because as far as I'm concerned, impeachment court is also a court of decorum. And the rules on impeachment under Rule 18 actually prohibits participants, especially lawyers, from commenting about the merits of the case. Now, one may argue that this isn't about the merits of the case, that he probably was just commenting about what ought or ought not to do in a cross-examination, but we're not naive. What the private prosecutor is talking about. He's here. He can explain it. He can explain himself if the presiding officer so desires. But I really just find it in bad taste to do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar, because even as we sit on the opposing side of this hall, we remain to be both members of the bar, and as officers of the court, we owe each other respect, politeness, or even kindness. And it doesn't take one to be a lawyer to know that the first thing that our parents teach us to do is humility.
Your Honor?
No, I'm not yet done, Your Honor. In fact, I have asked one of our lawyers to review the actual transcript from the video that transpired between the prosecutor and Attorney Ferrer, and it would seem that in the heat of the exchange, or in the passionate exchange of the arguments between the prosecutor and Attorney Ferrer was not even actually referring to misleading questions as allowed, as implied in the social media post of Attorney Ligutan. In fact, it's here. The court can confirm this from a replay of the video. Attorney Ferrer, sinabi ho ba yan sa JC na dapat may mahuli? The witness answers, ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.2 ay proof of success. Attorney Ferrer, hindi. Sorry, Your Honor, please. Attorney Kapunan, let the witness answer, Your Honor. Mr. Presiding Officer, can the counsel be instructed not to stop the witness mid-sentence, Your Honor? Attorney Ferrer, Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed to just answer with yes or no? The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later during redirect, Your Honor. And Attorney Kapunan, not all questions can be answered by yes or no. This is the meat of the contention of the argument between Attorney Kapunan and Attorney Ferrer. Attorney Ferrer responded, I am on cross, Your Honor, please. And the presiding officer said, counsels. Attorney Kapunan responded, never mind if you are on cross, Your Honor. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed on cross. This was the first time that the matter on misleading questions was actually raised by Attorney Kapunan. And Attorney Ferrer, for some reason, said they are allowed, but she was pertaining to the fact that the questions to which a yes or no answer may be answerable are allowed. She's not referring to misleading. I mean, for in effect, Attorney Ferrer was only saying that leading questions are allowed on cross-examination, not misleading questions, and yet we have a private prosecutor immediately taking to social media and posting this, implying something against the defense counsel. We will not have this.
O napanood nyo na. O ngayon, ano sa palagay nyo? Ako tama sa Atty. Sheila ha. Kasi, they follow a certain protocol. They're following a certain procedures na kung lawyer ka sa prosecution, meron ba kayo narinig na lawyer sa depensa na nagpo-post sa social media para makuha ng simpatya sa mga tao? Wala naman eh. Ang ginawa ng defense team, press con. After ng press con, wala nang magsasabi. Pero yung kabila, grabe. Parang ano ba? Parang tawag dito, nalulungo sa fame. Yung Bisaya kaayo. Kaya nga, pinangaralan ni Atty. Sheila. So ano kayang feeling ni Ligutan ngayon? Na parang, hoy, Ligutan, wake up. Lawyer ka. Kung gusto mo mag-content creator, huwag ka na lang mag-lawyer. At the same time, huwag mong pagtawanan ang kapwa lawyer mo. Diba?